Hey, what's going on? If you're struggling to close deals, maybe you just got started in the industry, or maybe you've been in the industry for 6 to 12 months and you've already sat down with at least 5 to 10 homeowners, and every single homeowner told you, you know what, sounds great, but I got to think about it. If you're having a hard time closing deals, that just means that you don't have a solid sales presentation. And having a solid, proven sales foundation is where it starts, right? Because in this industry, you're not going to be able to wing it. And I hear that all the time. And unfortunately, if you're trying to wing it, you could be leaving tens of thousands of dollars on the table. So I want to invite you to a 5-day solar sales bootcamp where I'm going to teach you step-by-step proven strategies on how to close solar deals at least 40+% close rate. And again, you have to know the sales presentations first. So if that sounds like you, if you're struggling to close deals, or maybe you just want to level up your sales skills so you can actually beat your competition, then this training is for you. So go ahead and click the button and register for this 5-day solar bootcamp. And I'm going to teach you everything that I know in 5 days. I'm going to press that in 5 days, and you're going to walk away as a high solar closer. So if you want to have the highest probability in closing your next solar deal, go ahead and click the button and register now for the training. You'll get all the details, the date, the time, the link to the actual training, and I'll see you over there. Goodbye for now.